Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my yet another episode in my channel. Uh, Today's episode, we are going to discuss about a particular sector. There is a recent news on this sector. Before we get into the details of that news, so I'm just requesting whoever is new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification when there is a new video uploaded. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get this started. There is a news I'm talking about electronic manufacturing sector. Government has given the guidelines and the growth guidelines of 60%. That means 60% growth in electronic manufacturing sector. So what is that news? Let's understand that news. So आज से 2024 to 2015 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोडक्शन था $29 बिलियन का, which is $101 बिलियन in 2022 to 2023. That is how Indian manufacturing electronic, especially electronic manufacturers, are contributing to Indian economy. So and whole electronic production or their value of the electronic production is 3.4% of today's GDP. So you know the 3.5 or 3.75 trillion of our GDP. So 3.4% is coming from the electronic manufacturing. Yes, ये न्यूज है क्या? Government, how the government is actually laying the foundation for this. Government has come up with this production link incentive scheme, which is $17 billion for the next 6 years to support this scheme. अब ये स्कीम से जितने भी से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरर हैं इंडिया में, लाइक whoever is manufacturing semiconductor, design, smartphone, IT, hardware and components, अभी आप अपने घर में चले जाइए, you can see all the electronic items, TV, fridge, TV, speaker, digital watch, mobile phone, anything, tablet, laptop, anything, all the manufacturer will get the benefit of this PLI scheme, and whoever is applying and get that. So now 2022 to 2021 $75 बिलियन का रेवेन्यू होता था इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से, प्रोडक्शन था, जो नाउ दिस गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन ए very you know very good expansion plan, which you can say very aggressive plan of $300 billion by 2025 to 2026. ये चाहे आप किसी भी तरह के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरर हों, दे विल गेट द बेनिफिट इफ दे आर एलिजिबल टू गेट अंडर द PLI स्कीम. अब नाउ आप पूछेंगे ये तो है, क्योंकि इंडिया का मार्केट इतना बड़ा है कि देर इज अ ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी ग्रोथ इन इंडिया फॉर दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. आज अगर मैं आपको कहूँ, देर इज अ रिसेंट रिपोर्ट आई वाज रीडिंग समवेयर, इट सेज 7% ऑफ इंडियन हैज कार्स, ओनली 15% ऑफ इंडियन हैज fridge. 15% of Indian has only a washing machine, and 30% of Indian has fridge. So that means 70% people do not have fridge as of now, and 80% people do not have a washing machine. So that those 80% people still need those electronic items. उसी तरह से दैट मीन्स कितना बड़ा मार्केट है आज के डेट में, 80 करोड़ लोगों को वॉशिंग मशीन नहीं है. So that means there is a huge opportunity for these electronic consumers, electronic manufacturers. So अब बोलेंगे, आप पूछेंगे कि भाई ये तो ठीक हो गया, लेकिन भाई ये बताओ कि कौन से शेयर में पैसा लगाएं जो हमें पैसा बना के दे इस सेक्टर में. तो देर आर मल्टीपल कंपनीज लिस्टेड इन इंडिया for my electronic manufacturing. I'm not going to tell you the name, but I can tell you the name, but I'm not suggesting you go and buy today. This video is not to tell you to buy or sell anything, but this is only for the educational purpose. So you can see that there are so many companies for electronic manufacturing in India. So Bajaj Electronics, Bharat Electronics, Habel, ABB, Dixon, so many. बट हमें ये देखना है कि इसमें बहुत से देर आर मल्टीपल कैटेगरीज ऑफ विद इन दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग itself, अब कोई ऐसी कंपनी होगी जो डिफेंस के लिए काम करती होगी, जो ऐसी कंपनी होगी जो रेलवे के लिए काम करती है, दिस इज दे आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग एनी आइटम डायरेक्टली टू द कंज्यूमर, दे आर फॉर द बिजनेस टू बिजनेस. सो अब जैसे BEL, दे आर डेवलपिंग सम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आइटम, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम फॉर जैसे HAL, और जो एरोस्पेस में काम करने वाला हो उसके लिए. देन वैसे ही जैसे सैमसंग, दे आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन द मोबाइल मोबाइल डिवाइसेस. सो जैसे Dixon is in all the all the electronic items. You can say that, you name it, TV, mobile, fridge, digital watch, everything they can manufacture. तो अब एक एक सेक्टर पे और एक एक कंपनी पे बेट लगाने से अच्छा, I would suggest go and start watching Dixon Technology. I'm not telling you and buy from today. So just watch on this, keep a radar on that, then you will make money. अभी लोग आएंगे बता देंगे कि okay, okay, there are so many companies, okay, there is a potential, you can buy. I'm saying there was a potential and still there is a potential. I have used it in my, if I can show you how I have made the benefit, just like this. Okay, so Dixon, see, I have bought, I think 1 year back, 4,550 rupees. Now it's around 12,000 rupees. Now I'm sitting on 3,65,000 rupees profit. So if you look at today, so Dixon Technology 12,505 rupees. So today it's a very big one, you can say that, but I have waited for that. This is a long term game gain, not for the short term. Okay, you buy today and tomorrow you will get 10%, 20%, 30%. Many a times it will go down also, but you have to look at their future growth, how they are operating, what is their capacity, how they are going to tackle the huge domestic demand as well as the export. Government is very aggressive for, on this whole electronic manufacturing for export. Okay, anyway, we are, this company is actually is good enough to meet the domestic demand, but still there are very huge gap. But now government is targeting for make in India, make for the world. So now अभी भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो डिक्सन ऑलरेडी 2260% का बेनिफिट दे चुका, प्रॉफिट दे चुका है. एंड व्हेन आई बॉट दिस इन 1 year back, it is 197% profit. So if you can see, 174% I'm sitting. So there are many electronic companies. I actually bet for BEL also. सो अगर BEL को देखेंगे तो अभी भी 2 लाख, 2,14,000 पे profit I'm sitting on that. So 150%. So there are many companies, you can say, you can see, but I'm saying, if there are 26 analysts, they are still okay bullish on this. They are saying okay, their rating is buy, buy. I'm not saying you go and buy. Look at their finance, look at their details, you do your analysis. I'm just telling you, there is a huge opportunity in electronic sector, because government is so aggressive making semiconductor happens in India. Okay, so you can also try some of them which I have listed here. You can try any one of them which you like, but my suggestion is, okay, don't let this opportunity